Jack accidentally dropped his Rolex worth a fortune into the sea. He dove in to search for it, and instead stumbled upon a mysterious rock. As an experienced treasure hunter, he immediately recognized it as a ballast stone from an ancient ship. That usually meant a treasure-laden wreck was nearby. The thought hit him, and he quickly swam back to the surface. Eagerly, he broke the news to his crew. The crew didn't need to hear more. They grabbed their gear and jumped into the water. Before long, Jack made another find. He dug it out, and there it was, a golden dagger, centuries old. Unearthing such a priceless artifact, he couldn't contain his excitement. If they could just locate the rest of the treasure, they'd be set for life. To speed things up, they headed to the market and picked up some detection gear. Then they returned to the same stretch of sea. First, they used ropes to mark off a rough search area. Next, they swept the area carefully with metal detectors. Soon, a detector started beeping. To see what was there, Jack signaled his partner to fire up the dredge and clear the sand. A thick, heavy chain gradually came into view. Realizing something much bigger had to be underneath, Jack told him to crank the dredge to full power. As sand billowed away to either side, a massive object was finally revealed, an ancient cannon buried on the seabed. To lift the huge artifact, they quickly fastened lines on both sides of the cannon. Then they filled lift bags with air. Working together, they pulled it upward. The heavy mass began to rise slowly. Just as they were about to move it onto the boat, Lena, their lookout on the surface, sent down a sudden warning. The Coast Guard was coming for a routine check. The news sent a wave of panic through the divers below. They knew perfectly well that if they brought up the cannon now, the hidden treasure would be exposed too. Authorities would take over everything, and they might end up with nothing. To prevent that, Jack urgently signaled his partner to release some air from the bags, to keep the cannon suspended underwater for now. But when his partner opened the valve, he accidentally let out all the air. The cannon, weighing thousands of pounds, plummeted straight down. His partner's arm got tangled in the line and was dragged down with it. When the cannon slammed into the seabed, his arm was pinned beneath it. And the worst part, their oxygen was running out.